Okay, good afternoon, boys and girls. Now I'm filming this because we are going to have our fourth homework, okay? Number 4. That is about workbook page 25 to 26. Okay? The same, if you don't have workbook, then do it on a paper or notebook. You just need to rewrite on workbook later, alright? And if you are finished and you want to let me know, you can just do the same thing like the homework one. Send the photo to this email address, then I will get it, okay? S110001012 alright? So let's go review our homework from 1 to 4. The first one was workbook page 49 to 50. Second one, listen to CD2 28 to 31. And then workbook 21-22. The last one, workbook page 25 and 26. Alright? I know it is very hard to finish because it might spend a lot of time. You need to spend a lot of time to do this. But I mean, there's 2 weeks. So I think you have time, right? So if you don't have any questions, now we are going to finish our workbook page 23 to 24. It is about listening practice, alright? So I will do this with you because some of you don't have the workbook, right? So today we're going to do workbook. Remember, 习作. Review 2, it is page 23 and then 24. Alright, the same. If you don't have it, then you can do it here. You can write down the answer on the paper or notebook, and then you can bring to school and then rewrite. Alright? 你可以把答案记在白纸或笔记本上，如果你一样是没有英文习作的同学们，你可以先写下来，来到学校你只要照样把它写上去就可以了。Alright? Part A, listen and match. 首先请看一下 Part A, A 大题。Here is a picture, right? And there are some photos on it. Number 1, museum. Number 2, zoo. Number 3, library. And then 4, restaurant, right? So, I think it is about... Okay. I think it is about asking you what time and where, the place. Okay? So, ready? A, B, C, D.
A. Listen and match. Number 1. Were you at the museum yesterday, Annie?
Yes, I was.
Were you at the museum yesterday, Annie?
Yes, I was.
Number 2. Where were you 2 days ago?
I was at the zoo. I was there with my mom, my dad, and my brother.
Where were you 2 days ago?
I was at the zoo. I was there with my mom, my dad, and my brother.
Number 3. Where was Bob an hour ago, Annie?
He was at the library. I was there an hour ago, too.
Where was Bob an hour ago, Annie?
He was at the library. I was there an hour ago, too.
Number 4. Where were you 2 hours ago, Annie?
I was at the restaurant.
Where were you 2 hours ago, Annie?
I was at the restaurant.
Alright, are you finished? If you are done and some of the answers you are not sure, then you can go back and listen it again. Alright? So now we are going to go to part B. Listen and mark. Circle or cross. There are 3 questions and you need to do it. Alright? Fill in circle or cross. 请你写上圈或叉。Ready?
B. Listen and mark O or X. Number 1. Were you at home yesterday, Sandy?
No, I wasn't.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at the museum.
Were you at home yesterday, Sandy?
No, I wasn't.
Where were you yesterday?
I was at the museum.
Number 2. Where was Danny 2 hours ago?
He was at the library.
Was he at the library an hour ago?
No, he wasn't. He was at the post office.
Where was Danny 2 hours ago?
He was at the library.
Was he at the library an hour ago?
No, he wasn't. He was at the post office.
Number 3. Hi, Amy. Are you sad?
Yes, I can't find my sunglasses.
Let me help you. Where were you 30 minutes ago?
I was at the park, and I was at the tea shop 10 minutes ago.
Hi, Amy. Are you sad?
Yes, I can't find my sunglasses.
Let me help you. Where were you 30 minutes ago?
I was at the park, and I was at the tea shop 10 minutes ago.
Alright, are you done? So now I'm going to give you the answer about part A and part B. Alright? Before it, I think we can just take a look of this. Part A, the question number 1. Were you at the museum yesterday, Annie? Yes, I was. Number 2, where were you 2 days ago? I was at the zoo. I was there with my mom, my dad, and my brother. Alright, so there's 1 and 2. Question 1 and 2. Do you know what to write down? Okay, ready? Number 1. 2, right? Because he says. Where were you? Oh, she says, yeah? Yeah. Alright, okay. And then this one, B. The first one, right? Because the question number 1 says this. Were you at the museum yesterday, Annie? So this one. Why? Because today is May 3rd. And here, May 2nd. Alright? And then number 2, it says, where were you 2 days ago? Where were you 2 days ago? I was at the zoo. So number 2 here. Alright? Don't forget. So next one. Where was Bob an hour ago, Annie? He was at the library. I was there an hour ago too. So which one, guys? C or D? C or D? Do you know? An hour ago. So here, I think it's this one, right? Because now it's 3 p.m. So an hour ago, it means 1 hour ago. Alright? And then the last one. Where were you 2 hours ago, Annie? I was at the restaurant. So here, the last one. Alright? So 2, 1, 4, 3. If you don't have any questions, now we are going to go down. Part B. That's easier. Even easier, right? So, number 1. Were you at home yesterday, Sandy? No, I wasn't. Where were you yesterday? I was at the museum. So this one, true or false? True, right? So it is circle. Number 2. Where was Danny 2 hours ago? He was at the library. Was he at the library an hour ago? No, he wasn't. So what does that mean? 意思是什么？2个小时前 Danny 他在 library， 但他1小时前还在吗？ No, he wasn't. He was at the post office. 所以他并没有一直待在 library. Okay. So number 2, cross, because it is asking 2 hours ago. 他问2小时前，那时候他还没有去 post office， 还没有去邮局哦。Alright, the last one. Hi, Amy. Are you sad? Yes, I can't. I can't find my sunglasses. Let me help you. Where were you 30 minutes ago? I was at the park. And I was at the tea shop 10 minutes ago. So, guys, Amy was at the park 10 minutes ago. Really? Right? 30. So, ready? Course, right? Of course, it's not true. So, circle, cross, and cross. Alright? That is about page 23. Okay? So, if you are finished, now we are going to do this. Part C. Part C. Ready?
C. Listen, read, and choose.
Number 1. Where was Eddie an hour ago? Where was Eddie an hour ago?
Number 2. Where were you 2 days ago, Peggy? Where were you 2 days ago, Peggy?
Number 3. Were you at the train station an hour ago? Were you at the train station an hour ago?
Number 4. Was Bruce at the library yesterday? Was Bruce at the library yesterday?
Alright, are you finished? If you are done, then look at here, part D. Listen and choose. Ready?
D. Listen and choose.
Number 1. Try. Try.
Number 2. Sweep. Sweep.
Number 3. Grain. Grain.
Number 4. Spill. Spill.
Alright, are you finished? I think so, right? So, here, everybody, first look at part 3, part C. Number 1, everybody is here. Sorry, I'll move it back. Alright, number 1, where was Eddie an hour ago? So he is at the restaurant, he was at the tea shop, yes he was. Which one? I think it's obvious, right? Number 1, where was? 当人家问你 where 的时候，代表他直接想要知道你就是问的这个人 Eddie 他在哪里。那你不会说 yes or no， 因为你直接告诉他答案就好了。那我们现在来看时间哈 ，an hour ago， now or past， present or past， 现在还过去。an hour ago 是1小时之前嘛，所以是 past。那既然是 past， 我们要用哪一个式子呢？现在式还是过去式？很好，就是过去式嘛，所以应该是 He was at the tea shop. Everybody, the answer is B. All right. Number 2, where were you 2 days ago, Peggy? So here, where were you 2 days ago? Is about Peggy, right? So because it asks you， 他问的是你，对不对？所以你回答一定会用 I。那 I 是不是有2个？那就一样的问题了。他时间问你是什么 ？Where were you 2 days ago？ 2天前一样是过去式，对不对 ？So I go swimming. Which one is the past tense？ 哪一个是过去式 ？I was at the museum, right? So A. All right. Number 3. Were you at the train station an hour ago? An hour ago. So yes or no? This one, yes, I was at the airport. Impossible, right? 他问的是你1小时前有没有在火车站，结果你答非所问。是的，我在机场。人家问你有没有在车站，你说我在机场，这不可能嘛。So, C. No, I was there 2 hours ago. Okay, 他告诉他不对哦，no， 我不是哦，我是2小时前在那，我不是1小时前哦，1小时前可能已经离开了。Alright, the last one. Was Bruce at the library yesterday? Yes or no? Yes, he was. He was at the theater. 这一定错嘛，因为人家问的是 library. No, he wasn't. He was at the theater. B, right? C, 连 yes 跟 no 都没有说，那应该是不对的，懂了吗？ Okay, so that is part C, alright? B, A, C, B. And then part D. Everybody, that's easy. Let's take a look. Number 1, try. So it's A. Number 2, sweep. So it should be C. Number 3, grand. The same is C, right? And number 4, spill. So B, A, C, C, B. Okay, that is about part D. So you can make sure if you have anything wrong. If you are wrong, it is okay. You can just correct it. Okay? 如果你有错没有关系，这个到时候收回老师还是会改。那这个就当做练习题。你有错的，你可以把它改成正确的。Alright? 不要只是抄答案哦，你应该要自己亲自有练习过，有错的你再去改。Alright? So, if you don't have any questions, now please turn to page 25 and 26. It is about your homework. Remember about this. Okay? Homework 4, workbook page 25 to 26. This is about your homework. Read, circle, and write. Remember, you need to, when you do it, you need to circle it. Alright? 这是你们的作业。那这一大题呢 ，Part E， 很多同学人家说了 read, circle and write， 你记得要把这个先圈起来，然后再去写下面的 ，alright？ I'm sorry， 不是圈起来再写下面哦，是你要边看下面。Number 1, how can we get to the? And you can get there by metro, so get to the what? 这边 Number 1， 请你自己挑选出正确的答案，那这边再写上去。这里要圈哦。Okay, so in case there's someone you don't have workbook， 如果你没有习作的同学，现在老师先在这边，你可以定格哈。你可以把这个内容先截图下来呢，或是你要暂停，这样你可以边写。Alright, so here, this is the whole page. 这是整个完整的一页。Alright. 应该还看得见吧，这个大小。Or we can do this， 我们可以再放大一点，只是右边要等一下。Alright, you can press pause button, yeah， 你可以按下暂停键。这边你就可以先把它做完，你可以写在笔记本上，然后等到来到学校了再把它完成，或是你就直接有习作你就直接写吧。Alright, here, next one, part F. I'm sorry, 它的大小比较难调。So it's okay to do this. Alright, 这个是 F 大题。Okay, 刚刚好啊。The paragraph and the questions. 文章跟这个题目都在这里了。Okay, this is a paragraph about Fred. Fred is coming home today. I'm so happy. I was in his room yesterday. I cleaned the room for him. I was at the supermarket 3 hours ago. I bought some apples and bananas for him. He likes fruit. I was in the kitchen 2 hours ago. I baked a cake for him. Fred was at the airport an hour ago. He's at the train station now. I can't wait to see him. So here is the question, okay? Here are the questions. So if you don't have any questions, that is your homework. Alright? 这就是你们的习作的作业。OK? 这应该是最后一项习作的作业哦，所以请你们记得哦，除了练习跟这个作业，你都应该要把它写上写完。 那如果有习作的同学，当然很好，你就写完，等到礼拜一记得要交。那如果是没有带的同学也没关系，你把答案都先写下来，这样一定会比较快。你来到学校再重新补上，时间会省很多的时间哦。Okay. So if you don't have any question now, I promise you that today we are going to watch a video which is about common sense. So ready? Oh, please pay attention before the video starts. 请你认真看。And in the video, there are 4 questions. 会有4个问题。I want you to listen and listen carefully. What are they talking about? And you can leave your comment below to tell me how many do you know. Alright? 你可以在影片结束之后留言的地方，除了签到以外，你可以告诉老师你有答对几题。Of course, be honest. 这个不算分号，所以当然你可以诚实回答，让老师知道你有几题会啊，几题就是你其实不知道。So you can do like this. There will be 4 questions in the video. If you are right, you're correct, then you can, I don't know, you can do like this. Okay? And if the second one's correct, then again. So the most you have 4 answers, right? 4 correct answers. So after the video, you can tell me how many percent, how many percent are you right? So like this. 如果你答对一题，那是多少呢？你只有答对一题 25%, so you can just type. For example, like what I told you. 老师是6年1班40号嘛Grade 6, Class 1, 40, check. Or you want to say 签到 it's okay. 所以如果你等一下的题目只答对一题25%你就打在下面。Or if you have 2 answers correct, 那你就是 50%. So 以此类推75% and 100%. Oh, sorry, 这边应该不会有这个嘛。1, 2, 3, 4. 告诉老师你答对了几题 ，OK? Alright, so if you don't have any question, we're going to start.
Hello students, I'm Champion.
And I'm Sean. Welcome to our No Way Lab. We work on experiments that will make you shout, No way!
Get ready, we're about to
Blow your mind.
Hey Sean, do you know what common sense means?
Of course, common sense is one's ability to make good judgments or behave in certain ways.
Can you give us an example?
When you see a candle, do you know how hot it is?
No.
Exactly. But will you put your hand near the flame?
Definitely no.
Common sense tells us not to put our hand near the flame, even though we don't know how hot it is.
So common sense means the things that everybody knows, right?
Yeah, you could say that.
Then do you dare to do a test to see how much common sense you have?
What, is this some kind of human experiment?
You're right. I'll prove common sense sometimes is neither common nor sense.
Then I'll prove you wrong.
If you choose the wrong answer, you will be punished.
Bring it on. It's only Thomas.
Okay, question number 1. Do the airplanes at the airport take off and land for a whole day? Yes or no?
That's too easy. The answer is yes, because you can see airplanes flying in the sky all day.
Right. The airport is open 24/7, but their airplanes won't take off and land at night because the sound is too loud.
Oh no. No way. What's the punishment?
Show me your hands. It will let you refresh.
Oh, ow! Oh, that hurts. Okay, I'm ready for the next question.
Okay, question number 2. In Taiwan, if you get in and out of the ticket gates at the same train station, how much money will you be charged? A. No charge. B. $14. C. $20. D. The same fee as you travel to the nearest stop.
So, I go in and out at the same train station, and I didn't take the train, right? Well, that's easy. The answer is A. No charge.
Wrong! The answer is B. If you go through the ticket gates, you will be charged at least $14.
Huh? This is common sense in Taiwan?
Yes, I think so. Time for the punishment.
Oh.
Let's move on to question number 3. What should you do if there are a lot of people ordering their meal at a restaurant? You should A. Push everybody away. B. Call the police. C. Wait in line. Or D. Start crying.
Oh, that's easy. The answer is C. Wait in line.
Bingo! You finally got one right. It's common sense that everybody should wait in line.
That's true, but not everybody has common sense. Lots of people just cut in line.
Okay, final question. Have you been to a movie theater before?
Yeah, who hasn't?
Then do you know why the movie theaters sell popcorns? Is it because A. Everybody loves popcorns. B. The popcorn machine will generate the electricity to power the theater. C. Popcorn is a highly profitable snack.
That's a good question. I never really thought about it before. I think the answer is A. Everybody loves popcorn.
The answer is
The answer is, are you sure it's A? Everybody loves the popcorn?
C. Popcorn is cheap for sellers and customers, and making it didn't require a ton of equipment. For some theaters, they make more money selling popcorns than movie tickets.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, do you know that, everybody?
Hey, I should go buy some popcorn right now. See you.
Not before you finish your punishment.
Still punishment.
Oh!
Okay, see you next time on No Way Lab.
Bye!
Okay, so that is about common sense. What is common sense? Common sense is like 基本，就是很常识的东西。For example, like what they just say, if you go to buy some snakes, okay, in the convenience store, and there are a lot of people forming line, and then you just cut in line. Some people will say to you, do you have common sense? 什么意思？你去排队买东西、买点心，在超商的时候，你突然插队，那其他人就会问你什么？你到底有没有尝试啊？哦，插队是可以的吗？就像这样子。那刚刚有四个问题，对不对？像老师说的 ，How many of the questions do you have the right answer？ 有多少的这个问题你有正确的答案呢？啊，你可以在下面留言区告诉老师你的答对率哦。Like I just say, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. OK， 你只要留下你答对的百分比，老师就知道你答对几题了。Alright, so that is about this class. Alright, today we have finished review 2 workbook, and then that is your homework. 这是你的作业，前面是我们今天做完的。下一堂课呢，我们会上的东西应该就会是最后的一些复习。Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.